Hello everyone, my name is Thomas LeBlanc and welcome to my course, Administering SSRS. I am a data warehouse architect from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and a graduate of LSU. Go Tigers! Administrating SQL Server Reporting Services, or SSRS, involves many aspects in the reporting portal as well as on the service level. Once mastered, an administrator can rest easy and continue to expand their knowledge with the SQL Server data platform. The portal can be customized to look more like web applications developed by the company hosting the service. Eventually, security becomes frontmost, and there are predefined roles as well as the ability to customize roles. These permissions can be on a folder of deployed reports or at the data source level. The database needs to have an encryption key with a backup in case a new server is needed for the portal. In this course, we're going to 1. Review roles for end users and folder permissions. 2. Implement procedures to increase report rendering times. 3. Navigate the portal and customize the colors and logo. 4. Execute T-SQL to query metadata about the deployment. And 5. We'll review the scheduling of reports and their execution. By the end of this course, you will understand how to administer a SQL Server Reporting Services installation. The key areas of the portal will be very apparent, and you can rest easy knowing the parts that are required that need the most attention. You might even make end users excited after reports start running faster. Before you begin the course, you should be familiar with SQL Server Management Studio, the SQL Server Reporting Services portal, and SQL Server Data Tools, as well as running T-SQL against the database. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn techniques to SSR administration with the Administering SSRS course here at Pluralsight.